Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ajit. So before integrating the APIs, okay, for the login and register, so I had made some changes in backend. Okay, so those who have deployed the code from the GitHub, okay, the backend code, okay, so they have to redeploy the code, okay, because I had made some changes. So okay, if you have deployed from the code that given by me, you can see here this code I have given by me, okay, that you have deployed. Okay, so if you have deployed the backend code, okay, you need to follow some steps here because I had made some changes. Okay, means I removed the differences of node mailer. Okay, when we was registering there, the mail was going, okay, to activate the account, that I have removed. Okay, because that was creating some issue. There is a version mismatching. Okay, that's why I thought that let's remove for this moment. Okay, so if you are doing the backend code with me, then I have already made a video that what to refactor. Okay, so this part will be for those deployed the code directly. Okay, means those are not building the backend with me. Okay, so you have to open the codes, okay, the API code, news of API, okay, that I had the folder name. So you have to do one thing. For the moment I don't have any changes, okay, because I had all the latest code. So before pulling the code, make sure that you had a copy of env file. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to copy this, okay, environment files of yours, then you have to paste in your text edit. Okay, so now I'm opening a text editor and here I will paste the codes. Okay, because this may be replaced with like this, means mongo uri, okay, like this. So because I will post like this, so after pull you have to replace. So what you have to do is you have to simply type git pull. Okay, in after git pull, then some changes will reflect. Okay, when some changes will come, so the changes will be inside the controllers, and here is the user controller. Okay, here I have removed the node mailer dependencies. You can see in the below, when we are registering, here I removed. Okay, we are sending a link here, so I removed this one, and also a route was here to active the token, also I have removed that one, and also here exports, and in the routes also I removed the active token route. Fine, so these changes I made, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so after pulling the code, if you have replaced, means you got replaced the codes here, so what you have to do is you just go to the text edit and copy all the codes and paste it here. Okay, now you are ready to go. Else you can get all the links, means let's say about the mongodb uri, okay, that you can get from the mongodb website. Okay, that we have created the console, you can get there by logging in your account. Okay, that I said that before during the deployment time. Okay, you can get like this the mongodb url. Okay, and also there API host, actually API host we are not need now, so if you are giving this, then okay, so we will remove that later. So after git pull, okay, let me change something. Okay, okay, to reflect changes. Okay, I just made a change because I have the latest code. So make sure that you have logged in Heroku. Okay, so now we will redeploy the backend codes because we had some changes, and after git pull, if you are facing some conflicts, okay, please see the github codes, okay, and match them, and if you are getting any doubt, then please comment down. Okay, so now we will redeploy the code. So make sure that you had your credential logged in Heroku. So I am typing Heroku login. we will first log in to redeploy to deploy. Okay, let me log in. Okay, I have the session expired, so need to log in again. You can see that I have logged in. Okay, so here also logged in. So now I will redeploy the code. So first we'll add all to Git. Okay, then we'll commit that node mailer removed. Fine. Then we have the remote. Okay, of Heroku, this one. Okay, so we'll redeploy the code by git push Heroku. So it will deploy again for us. Okay, fine, we have successfully redeployed the code. So let's check out some APIs here. Okay, so I will copy this URL and I will go to Postman. Then I will click register here. Okay, and here I will replace this URL. Then I will send, and I can say that unauthorized user. Okay, so this is for login. So I will test the register API because we made the changes in the register API. Okay, so I'm sending the request. So let me change the email ID. Then sending the request. You can see that account created successfully. Okay, please log in. So it is working.